1. Honor Magic V Flip 2, launch date and leaked specs. 2. Honor Magic V5 hands-on, thin and stunning foldable phone. 1. Honor Magic V Flip 2, launch date and leaked specs. Honor Magic V Flip 2 launch timeline and enhanced specifications unveiled. Technology: https://www.ndtvprofit.com/technology !src story -page. Honor Magic V Flip 2 launch timeline and enhanced specifications unveiled. According to a recent leak, the Honor Magic V Flip 2 is set to debut in China in August, marking its second generation. This device is expected to build on the success of the previous model, offering upgraded features and performance. The leak, shared by a Chinese tipster via Weibo, reveals the phone will come with a 50MP dual-camera system, featuring a 1/1.5-inch sensor. The photo caption shows the camera setup, which includes a 50MP primary lens and a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens. While the second camera isn't disclosed, the Honor V Flip already includes a 12MP ultra-wide lens, suggesting the Flip May 2nd retains similar specifications. Battery and charging details. The leaked information highlights a significant upgrade, a 5,500 mAh battery with support for 66W or 80W fast charging. Previously, the Honor V Flip had a 4,800 mAh battery, making this a notable leap in energy efficiency. The 80W charging speed is particularly impressive for a smartphone, aligning with the growing trend of high-speed charging across premium devices. Display and performance. The device is anticipated to feature a 4-inch FHD plus LTPO OLED cover display and a 6.8-inch FHD plus LTPO folding OLED screen. These displays offer vibrant visuals and flexible viewing angles, ideal for both daily use and multimedia consumption. The Snapdragon 8 series sub-flagship chipset is likely to power the phone, balancing performance with cost-effectiveness. Comparative analysis: Magic V Flip 2 versus Nothing Phone 3 and iPhone 16e. A separate report from Phone Arena notes that the Magic V Flip May 2nd retain a 50MP selfie camera, similar to the Nothing Phone 3, though the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to have a 10MP front-facing camera. This suggests the Magic V Flip 2 could offer a more advanced camera configuration, making it a compelling option for users seeking high-quality photography. Launch timing and global availability. The leak also hints at a potential September global launch, leveraging the IFA trade show as a platform for announcements. However, since the Magic V Flip was never released internationally, its sequel's global availability remains uncertain. If the phone does go global, it could be priced around $795, approximately 68,140 rupees, though regional pricing variations are always possible. Controversial takeaways. While the leaked details are promising, the global launch speculation raises questions about market strategy. Could the Honor Magic V Flip 2 be positioned as a premium device despite its lower price point? Additionally, the mention of a $795 price tag sparks debate. Is this a competitive price for a flagship-level smartphone or a strategic move to capture a niche market? In conclusion, the Honor Magic V Flip 2 represents a solid step forward in the foldable smartphone landscape, blending cutting-edge technology with practical upgrades. As with any new device, its success will depend on how well it meets consumer expectations and navigates the competitive smartphone market. 2. Honor Magic V5 hands-on, thin and stunning foldable phone. Imagine holding the thinnest book-style foldable phone on the market today. That's exactly what the Honor Magic V5 offers. This sleek device has just been launched in China, and it's about to make its local debut. The Magic V5 is not only visually stunning, but also impressively thin, measuring just 8.8 millimeters in its folded state for the ivory white version. It weighs 217 g, making it both fashionable and portable. The model we got our hands on was the Dawn Gold version, which is slightly thicker and heavier, but only by a hair. The elephant in the room is the thickness, or lack thereof. While the difference might seem negligible, it's thin enough to fit comfortably in your pocket, feeling almost as thick as a regular non-foldable phone when closed. However, it does have a slight heft to it, which might be a consideration for some users. The gold color is a premium choice, and Honor incorporates it beautifully with a gradient effect on the rear panel. This subtle touch gives the phone an air of mystery, as the color shifts depending on the light and angle, making it feel more luxurious with each glance. However, the hinge design is a slight letdown. The official render suggested a textured surface, but in reality, it's flat and the geometric patterns feel out of place, somewhat cheapening the luxurious vibe. Fortunately, these patterns are confined to the hinge area, so they're not noticeable when the phone is unfolded. The phone's thin body means the camera module sticks out quite a bit. This is especially evident when the phone is unfolded, making the bump look comically large compared to the rest of the device. Despite this, the camera itself is impressive, featuring a triple camera setup with an upgraded 64MP periscope telephoto lens. The results are promising, though there seems to be some reliance on AI for low-light shots. The addition of color profiles is also a nice touch. But here's where it gets interesting. The camera's performance is heavily reliant on AI, which might be a point of debate among photography enthusiasts. Is the reliance on AI a good thing, or does it take away from the authenticity of the shots? It's a question that sparks a lot of discussion in the world of photography. The Honor Magic V5 is set to launch in Malaysia on July 15th, with a live stream on the brand's Facebook page. In the meantime, stay tuned for a full review where we delve deeper into its features and performance. And this is the part most people miss. The design of foldable phones like the Magic V5 is a delicate balance between aesthetics and functionality. Do you think the compromises in design are worth the sleek, premium look, or should functionality take precedence? Let us know in the comments below.